I've got this 1968 Chevy C10 pickup, and a couple of years ago I removed the tank from behind the seat, and then I installed a void tank under the bed there. You can see the filler and tank hanging down there. So it had nice paint on this truck, and I didn't really want to get rid of the look of the filler neck here. So what I did is I made what I've been calling a dummy filler neck, and you can see it's got a blanking plate in there, so it doesn't function as a filler neck. You can't really even stick a fuel nozzle in there. Show you what it looks like from the back. So there's just a clamp. Clamps the filler neck to the grommet, and I have been making these for other people. You can visit 67 through 72 ChevyTrucks.com. I've got a post in the classified section for 67 to 72 years, titled Dummy Filler Neck. You can contact me through there if you'd like to get one.